This video will go over how to install the F-250 front tie downs for your Ford truck. These tie downs are made of high-quality stainless steel and aluminum and bolt directly to your truck's frame for the strongest mounting solution possible. Starting on the passenger side of the vehicle, identify the bolt hole locations. For this install, we put the bolt fisher through the bottom of the frame, up through the frame, in order to more easily get the bolt fisher pulled through. Attach the appropriate hardware and bolts onto the coiled end of the bolt fisher and put it in the frame one piece at a time. Pull the hardware through the frame and the hole. Repeat this process for the rest of the holes shown. Place the tie down into position and attach the 2x2 center hole plate washers to the bolt fisher at both the bottom of the frame and the side of the frame nearest the front of the truck. From the back side of the frame, insert the appropriate hardware through the frame and the receiver, securing it with a nut. Torque all the hardware to the appropriate specifications laid out in the instructions. Repeat the process on the other side of the vehicle. Once that's done and you're ready to use your tie downs, secure your insert in the receiver with the provided pin.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.